Hey guys, again, this is Dan from Jailbreak Zone. I'm going to show you guys Springtomize 3, which is now available for iOS 7. If you previously purchased Springtomize 2, I believe you can get the upgrade to iOS 7 for $1.99. Otherwise, it runs $2.99 or $4.99, I believe. So you just go ahead and Filippo Biga has added this tweak. It's a pretty popular tweak. It basically enables a whole bunch of different configurations, changing your status bar, the size of your apps, your dock, those kinds of things. It's all integrated so that the tweaks don't have any compatibility issues. But anyway, it says right here $2.99 if you didn't own the previous version, and if you don't have iOS 7, it's also available for iOS 5 and 6. So go ahead and head out here. You'll get an app that you can add, or you can have it not be shown at all if you prefer. We'll just head over through our app, or through our settings app, to Springtomize. You can enable it, disable it, so you can adjust your animations. You can have a custom speed set up every time that you change something. See, it says at the top, settings change, tap to apply. On the iPad, it does seem to block the whole screen up when it does that, so I'm not really sure what the deal with that is. You can adjust your app slider. You can also control settings. You can have certain things shown or hide sections in your control center. In your dock here, you can just hide your dock completely. You can resize the icons. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll resize my icons. You can see its settings have been applied. Make them 75% on my dock. You can also hide the labels. Let's do that. And you can enable cover flow. So I'll go ahead and enable that as well. So we'll go ahead and tap up here. It'll ask you if you want to respring. It'll just take a couple seconds to respring, and you'll have your new configurations added. Now this, every single change you do make, you will have to respring it to show those. So to get the exact configuration you want, you might be going multiple times redoing the same. So you can see I have a cover flow effect. My icons are a little smaller on my dock. So those kinds of things you can just quickly change. And I go back to my settings here. So I have my cover flow enabled. Control center, you can change those kinds of things as well. So I could hide something on my control center so that it wouldn't show up as well. So let's go ahead and go to our lock screen here, and you can hide your camera on your lock screen. You can set a custom slider. So if I want to change my slider to say something specific, we'll go back here, type something specific, and you can do that just like that. We'll go ahead and back up, and we'll respring, and then you'll see that the slider, instead of saying slide to unlock or whatever it does normally, it'll say something specific. So you can go ahead and change those. You can do the same thing with your status bar, and a lot of other things you can do. It's a pretty nice little tweak that was developed, and as you can see, it says something specific. So be sure to check us out at Jailbreak Zone on YouTube and subscribe to our channel, guys. Thanks.